everyone, this is Steve Gaines from Lincoln County Schools with a quick tutorial on how to log in as a parent. The first thing you need to do is get an access code from your child's school. Whenever you get a chance, call your child's teacher, administrator, or innovation specialist at your child's school and get the access code. So once you get the access code, you go to Schoology.com. On the far right, it says register. Click register. Click parent. Put in the access code. Hit continue. Put in your first and last name and your email address. Create a password. It's got to be at least 5 letters or numbers. Make sure you click both boxes and hit register. You are now in your child's Schoology. So go up to the top right and click your name, and your child's name should be right below your name. Once you click on child's name, his courses and activities and assignments will be right here. Come back for the next video on navigating your child's Schoology page. Thank you.